Are you a federal worker dealing with a medical condition and considering early retirement? Are you worried about what will happen to your thrift savings plan, among other things? Finances can be stressful. We get it, which is why we're here to help. You've invested in your TSP for years. Now it's time to make it work for you. Here's how. Option 1. Keep your money in your TSP. No need to move it. Your investments will continue to grow or shrink with the market. This is great if you want to keep things simple and stable. Option 2. Turn your TSP into monthly payments for life. This is called a private annuity. You get a check every month from an insurance company. The longer you wait to start these payments, the higher they'll be. This is ideal if you want steady, reliable income without worrying about the stock market. Option 3. Move your TSP to a different retirement account called an IRA. This gives you full control over your money. You can take out as much or as little as you need whenever you need it. This is perfect if you want flexibility and are okay with some ups and downs in your account balance. We've helped many clients turn their TSPs into a reliable source of income. Some choose the monthly payments option and feel secure knowing they have a steady income. Others move their TSP to an IRA and like having control over their withdrawals. You don't have to figure this out alone. We're here to guide you and find the best option for your situation. Want to learn more about making your TSP work for you? Click the link in the comments to schedule a free consultation. Let's secure your financial future together.